Does Walmart take Apple Pay? Many shoppers wonder if they can use Apple Pay at Walmart for a quick contactless checkout experience. Walmart has a clear stance on this payment method, and understanding its accepted payment options can help streamline your shopping experience. Here's a detailed breakdown of Walmart's policy regarding Apple Pay. Walmart does not accept Apple Pay. Walmart does not accept Apple Pay in any of its stores, online, or within the Walmart app. Despite the growing popularity of mobile payment methods like Apple Pay, Walmart has chosen not to integrate it into its payment systems. Reason behind the policy: Walmart has developed its own contactless payment system called Walmart Pay, which works through the Walmart app. By encouraging customers to use Walmart Pay, the company retains more control over payment processing and customer interactions without relying on third-party platforms like Apple Pay. Alternative contactless payment: Walmart Pay. Walmart Pay is available within the Walmart app. Customers can link debit cards, credit cards, gift cards, and prepaid cards to the app. At checkout, users scan a QR code displayed on the register to complete the payment. Walmart Pay works similarly to mobile wallets, but operates exclusively within the Walmart ecosystem. Other accepted payment methods: while Walmart does not accept Apple Pay, it accepts various other payment methods: credit and debit cards, Visa, MasterCard, Discover, American Express. Walmart Pay: Walmart gift cards, electronic benefits transfer for eligible items, cash, PayPal for online purchases, Affirm, buy now, pay later financing. Why Walmart favors Walmart Pay? Walmart Pay allows the company to avoid fees associated with external payment processors and collect valuable customer data to improve its services and marketing efforts. This strategy also keeps customers engaged within Walmart's ecosystem. Apple Pay at other retailers: while Walmart does not support Apple Pay, many other national retailers, including Target, Walgreens, CVS, and Costco, do accept this payment method. Future of Apple Pay at Walmart: Walmart hasn't announced any plans to support Apple Pay in the future. The company remains committed to Walmart Pay as its primary contactless payment method. Walmart does not accept Apple Pay, but customers can still enjoy contactless payments through Walmart Pay. For those who prefer Apple Pay, shopping at other retailers or using Walmart Pay for in-store transactions provides a comparable experience.